హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్. సిద్ధు ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీకాకుళం మూవీతో తెలుగు తెరకు పరిచయమైన హీరోయిన్ శ్రద్ధా దాస్ ఆ మధ్య ఆర్య 2తో అందరిని అలరించింది. ఆ తర్వాత చాలా గ్యాప్ తీసుకుంది. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు గరుడ వేగతో మన ముందుకు వస్తుంది. రాజశేఖర్ హీరోగా చేస్తున్న ఈ మూవీ విశేషాలని అలాగే తన కెరీర్ విశేషాలని పంచుకోవడానికి శ్రద్ధా దాస్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ శ్రద్ధ.
హాయ్.
హౌ ఆర్ యు?
Very tired. I've just come from shooting.
So Garuda Vega shooting nadustunnattu.
Yeah, I was shooting in Charminar. So been running all day. I think I ran around 5-6 kilometers I think today and just come directly from shoot. I'm in my shooting costume right now.
Yeah, telustondi. Chala alisipoyi kanapadtunnaru.
I'm playing a journalist in it. So a reporter so who's constantly running trying to capture things.
So our job.
Yeah.
So reference ఏమైనా తీసుకున్నారా ఎవరైనా తెలిసిన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి జర్నలిస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాడు అట్లా?
I saw a lot of 9/11 when 9/11 the attacks happened. I was seeing a lot of coverage of that because Praveen wanted me to be a reporter who is constantly running and very active and something like that. So but I have studied journalism in real life.
Oh, that's
so
great.
that is why, yeah, and I have also done broadcast. Studied broadcast journalism as well. So
So you're much familiar with the work.
yeah,
right?
so I know that there is a particular tone in which the news anchors speak or reporters speak, so that, but the only difficult part was I had to speak a lot of pure Telugu words which the normal Telugu public doesn't speak. So for me being from Bombay, it was doubly tougher.
Professional Telugu. Tough roller or else, you know,
Like I said,
reporters
only
two
the-
type bold reporters ఉంటారు, like soft going reporters ఉంటారు. What kind of the role it is?
Praveen thinks that this character is supposed to be like the Arnab Goswami of the movie, but yeah, so she is somebody who is very very strong and aggressive and wants to cover everything you know, before every other news channel and you know all of that, and so definitely it's a very tough character.
Praveen Sattar, second movie నేను తోటి మీకు. So how is it working with him?
You will be surprised to know that for Guntur Talkies I was not auditioned, I was directly called for the role. For this movie I was auditioned. Praveen took my
How did he
audition.
convince you for that role? ఆ
Are you
role
going to
ఎట్లా
ask me about
ఒప్పుకున్నావు?
Guntur Talkies? We should be talking about PSV Garuda Vega.
No, we'll go to that. But
For that
role is, you know,
so
rule breaking.
initially when he told me already Kangana Ranaut had done the role Revolver Rani in Bollywood, but I knew that in Telugu, you know, people do not really have not seen people actresses performing such roles. But knowing that he had won a national award before and have seen his work earlier, so I knew that he will present it in a you know, it will not look however the character is, it will still not look vulgar. So you know, that is the reason why I accepted it. It was only because of the director, because I know that he is.
So coming to Garuda Vega, what does the title mean? Garuda Vega. We
You
never
should ask
heard
the director.
such kind.
Don't ask me.
You should have asked me, right?
I am not
మీరు
asking
అడుగుంటారు కదా డైరెక్టర్. What is Garuda Vega?
Ask Praveen, he'll give you in detail the answer for it. Yeah.
So working with Rajశేఖర్ గారు, such a senior actor and ఇలాంటి genre movies చాలా చేశారు ఆయన. ఎట్లా ఉంది రాజశేఖర్ తో వర్క్?
Well, I think he's very chilled out when I see him on the set, and you know, especially off the screen and on, like when the camera is rolling, and when you see him on screen, it's a completely different personality, and off the screen he's a completely different personality. So you know, he just transforms immediately, and he's always known for those angry cop characters, and in this movie with Praveen showing him, you know, he's going to be shown in a very different light. So I guess, you know, people are going to see a very new Rajశేఖర్ sir in the film.
By the posters, so you can know that it's a thriller movie, you know, action movie. So what kind of genre it is exactly?
A thriller is anyways having suspense in it
Suspense,
all.
of
Yeah,
course.
so a lot of twists and turns and everything.
So what are the specialities of the movie Garuda Vega? Highlight saint movie.
I think one of the main things is definitely the locations. First of all, I would say they shot in Georgia, and I think one of the most famous dams or something. And I was not in Georgia, so I really running a lot around Charminar right now. That's the interval block of the film that we are shooting over there.
So Charminar lo ante full rush untundi, full public untundi, crowd untundi.
They were very cooperative actually. I did not have any such problem. Instead, I had a very funny incident actually which happened.
Can you share it?
Yeah, okay, so I was talking to my staff people. I have been searching this this amla you get,
Pachak
right?
amla.
Yeah, amla. I have been searching this amla, raw amla everywhere. I have a habit of having 2-3 every day. Okay, it's very good for skin and hair and everything.
digestion and all.
But it's very kadwa, it's very bitter. So anyway, I've been searching for it in Hyderabad and I did not get it for the last 2 days. So I was telling my staff sitting there that, you know, yaar, kahin pe bhi nahi mila, ye wo, blah, blah, blah. So there was somebody from that crowd who heard it, okay. I don't even know he heard it. And then he just messaged me on my Instagram public profile, okay?
क्या बोल के?
बोल के कि मैंने आपका सब conversation सुना और मैं लेके आता हूँ, मैं आपके लिए already आमला खरीद लिया. I was like, wow.
A genuine fan.
I stopped at 20 places in Hyderabad to find it. I didn't get it, and so I was quite surprised. And today I saw him on the shoot, and he was carrying that thela of amla. Though I didn't get it till now, but yeah, so that was really weird, but very sweet. And the crowd has been. See, the thing
Long
is that
time no see.
I have been working in a lot of languages. I had a Bengali release, so I work in Bengali as well. Hindi as well. I have a release now with Nawazuddin Siddiqui. So. I've constantly been working in various languages, so that's the reason why it's not that I'm just only confined to doing Telugu films. The thing is that I had done so many films when I came here that people think that I would constantly be here, but I stay in Bombay, so I only come here for shootings and everything. So and I've also become a little selective for the past 2-3 years, because I really want that my character should be very important in the film when I do it. There are a lot of roles that I have done before which were extremely glamorous, but performance-wise I used to not really be so happy with it. So that is the reason why I have been selecting very quality films with really good and sensible directors.
What is skin show? What is glamour?
I was expecting. No, I just find the word skin show very derogatory, first of all. I don't know why is that said, because whether it's Bollywood, Hollywood or Tollywood now, I think everybody is like wearing modern outfits, and the moment anybody wears a modern outfit, people call it skin show, so I don't understand that. But I don't know. I think if you carry it off in a classy way, I think it looks cool on screen, as long as it goes.
Coming to your career beginning, me first chance ela ochindi?
I was auditioning for a lot of Hindi films, and I was already doing one Hindi film called Lahore, which won like national awards and everything. It was by Warner Brothers. But while doing that, I was also auditioning for a lot of other films, and during that time I met some people from here. I auditioned for those films, and then I shot for those films, but those films didn't release first, and then I ended up doing another film, Sidhu from Srikakulam, while I was shooting for that first film, and then after...
Chala mandi jarugutundi industry.
Yeah, a lot of times it has happened, and then from Sidhu straight away I signed Arya 2, and then things went on happening one after the other.
Childhood మీరు యాక్టర్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నారా, or else you said journalism చేశానని
No.
చెప్పారు.
My father was very particular that I finish my education before I become an actress, or if I even want to think of going into this field. So I finished my journalism and everything. I got one more degree recently. I got a degree of counselor and psychotherapist as well.
You didn't mean to do journalism for the sake of journalist.
My character is also very similar to him in this movie. Yeah. But I wish I could actually work in a news channel. I got a lot of offers. I got offers from a lot of channels over there. But you cannot take it up because it's complete. You have, right? You have to give all your days, right?
After Sidhu from Srikakulam, కెరీర్ బాగా కొంచెం గ్యాప్ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ పికప్ అయింది, మళ్ళీ గ్యాప్. సో ఈ గ్యాప్ లో బెంగాలీలో చేస్తాను.
బెంగాలీ, కన్నడ, మలయాళం.
సో అన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్ నేర్చేసుకున్నారా?
I find it more difficult to speak in Bengali than Telugu.
Really? Why so?
People used to make fun of me in the Bengali films that I was working in. So when I would start speaking, basically, see, I'm born and brought up in Bombay. So my Hindi is very good. My mother is from UP, my father is from West Bengal. So my Hindi is brilliant, but my Bengali was like mixed with Hindi. Then
గరుడ వేగాలు మీకు అంటే బాగా కొంచెం స్ట్రెస్ ఇచ్చిన టైం ఏదన్నా ఉందా? You got any certain time you got stressed?
Like I said, the dialogues, they were like, it's like, kacha papad, kacha papad, like that. Those lines were like tongue twisters. They were very tough. ఈ కేసుకి సంబంధించిన ఒకరిని అడుగులోకి తీసుకొని NIA హెడ్ ఆఫీస్ లో ఇంట్రోగేట్ చేస్తున్నా.
సో తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ గురించి చెప్పండి.
I would say the discipline and the speed at which films are finished and released. Even if you've done one film here, people already start calling you by, they already know your name, and even if you walk on the street or you go anywhere, I remember even with Sidhu from Srikakulam, my first film itself, if I walked to a mall, if I walked anywhere, people already knew my name. Or if I go even to say the loo in an airport, people remember me from those character names.
So how do you rate?
The house that I have, the car that I have, everything that I have, that I have earned in my life, all of that has come from Telugu.
That
so definitely,
genuine answer.
it has to be number one. Okay? And number 2 would be Hindi. Number 3 would be Bengali. Number 4 would be Kannada, and 5th would be...
My favorite actor?
See, I always judge people with the way they are as people.
टॉम क्रूज है हॉलीवुड का हीरो है.
See, if I say Mahesh Babu, all heroines come and say Mahesh Babu, but I've never worked with him. I've never met him also. So he's cute. All actresses find him to be cute and everything. But if I say he's my favorite actor, then that's diplomatic, right?
So give a genuine answer.
See, I would say Allu Arjun because Allu Arjun was the person who cast me for Arya 2, seeing some picture of mine in some Telugu magazine. So I owe my name, which I got to because of him. And he's a very, very amazing person on sets, very fun-loving. So Allu Arjun and Balakrishna sir.
In Bollywood?
Bollywood, to see, I have not worked with everybody, so I can't
That's
say.
why I'm asking. Now I can get the
See, as an actor, like a brilliant actor, I recently worked with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, so I think he's a brilliant actor. Like, I generally don't get nervous before acting with anybody, but I got very nervous acting with him because he's the bap of acting, literally.
Yeah.
So I was very nervous that, like, for a minute I was like I was shivering for the first time on a set.
So what kind of characters Shraddha Das want to do? Any ideal na ilanti character cheste baaguntundi, that kind of character, this kind of character, atlantic.
Lots, yeah. I see so many, I don't know, so many films that I've seen. I've seen some Hollywood films which I would really want. I wish
can tell.
You know, something like that. What was this
Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
Recently.
Oh my God, yeah. I will rock that role.
You want Superwoman.
Oh my God, I will rock that role.
You want to go like this.
Yeah. I'll destroy everything in the city virtually. Yeah, Wonder Woman, something like that for sure.
What do you do in your meantime? Hangout places couch, hobbies couch. What do you do?
Okay, so when I'm in Bombay and I get that free time, I spend it mostly with my dogs because I have 4 at home. Pugs. And so I give them most of my time if I get free time. I watch a lot of movies. I'm a huge fan of Netflix. So I'm obsessed with this one particular series right now, which is called Orange is the New Black, which is based on a prison. There are a lot of women who are in one prison.
I heard about it.
So that I'm crazy about. I've seen 4 seasons at a stretch. Like whenever I get the time, I do binge watching.
Actor కాకపోయింటే Shraddha Das same అయ్యిండేది.
Now I have a lot of options, yaar. If I was not an actress, either I would have. There are three to four things that I would have done. Either I would have been a news anchor, a very strong news anchor. I would have been a female Arnab Goswami for sure. Whenever I see news hour, I'm like, I wish I could do that. Come on, the nation wants to know.
No.
So something like that, definitely. I would be the head of a channel and I would be doing something like that. If not that, then maybe if I would have practiced and trained a little more, I would have become a singer. Because in my family, everybody sings. But I'm not going to sing right now, please. Okay, and if not a singer, then a counselor. A counselor and psychotherapist. Because I just got a degree in that.
So just now you said a good singer.
नहीं ये बातें हैं पुरानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी हाँ थामा हाँ रोका इसको किसने हाँ ये तो बहता पानी ओ कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी ला 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 zuu zoo 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 la 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 पीले इसमें नशा जिसने पिया वो गम में भी हंसा.
Thank you very much, Shraddha, and all the best.
Thank you.
మరిన్ని తెలుగు మూవీస్ చేసి మళ్ళీ మమ్మల్ని అలరించాలి.